All right, hello and welcome. My name is Tim. In this video, I'm going to give you a complete tour of the groove.cm 2.0 dashboard. As of March 2025, this is what things are going to look like, whether you are a free user or a paid user. By the way, if you want to get a free 1 year, no credit card required, build your business under Groove's roof completely for free, then you can go to the link below in the description of this video, and I'll throw you into our Groove 10-day challenge as well, and be available for you to ask me any questions. Again, the link is in the description of this video. So let's jump in to the dashboard. This is what you're going to see when you log in. I'm using obviously a lifetime. I'm a paid user, so some of the things that are not available for free users, I will indicate that to you as we go through things. So what you're going to see on the dashboard is a very clean interface. You're going to see the apps or quick links right up at the top here. There's actually 3 places that you can access these apps, which are all the Groove apps that are currently usable. So quick links is one of them when you're on the dashboard. You can also go up to the Groove logo on the top left corner. You'll be able to get to the apps there. And if you're on the dashboard, you can click on these 4 dots. You'll also be able to get to the apps there. Okay, let's talk about support. And I'll just be upfront that there is no live support for free users. So this is only for paid users. And you're going to do that by clicking at this, this little, what do you call it? A little raft type thing here in the top right corner, that circle. That is going to bring up your Groove support. You're going to be able to create a new conversation, type your message in here. And here we are. It says Groove support typically replies in a few minutes, and they're online. So I believe now there's 24/7 support, and it's really, really good. They're very prompt, and they've got that support stuff rolling really well. So that's Groove support. I'll just close that. All right. So let's talk about settings. So we're going to go to the top right corner. You're going to click on settings and billing. This is where you're going to find everything to do with your account. So here, general settings, you're going to be able to manage your password, contact information, social media. I'm not really sure what that would be useful for, and any business information. So then you've got your domains where you manage your domains. You'll see the plan that you're on, billing settings, if you need API, affiliate settings. By the way, if you're going to take advantage of Groove's awesome commissions for recommending Groove to be an affiliate, then you're going to have your payment up to date. And most importantly, you're going to have your tax info up to date as well. Otherwise, you will not get paid for any affiliate commissions. Okay, integrations, if you're using any of those, app settings. So for vendor settings, I do use this one for self-billing because I have some subscriptions or some payment options. So I allow the customer to download the invoice and update their credit card information in there. And then you can also manage your payment gateways here as well. All right, so let's close out of there and let's talk about the apps. So I'm not going to open each app, but I'll show you what each one is used for. So GroovePages is where you're going to build all of your websites, landing pages, checkout pages, opt-in forms. Anything to do with a web page is going to be found under GroovePages. If you're building funnels, GrooveFunnels, all under there as well. They've got beautiful templates, pre-made websites, landing pages, and funnels that you can just customize with your own branding. And then we go to number 2, which is GrooveSell. So this is really where you're going to be able to set up product funnels. That's what Groove calls it. So if you're selling anything, you need to have a product funnel. Go through the wizards of setting it up with pricing, sales page, thank you page, any fulfillment, that kind of stuff. And then to create your checkout link, discount codes, all that sort of stuff. And then once you get your checkout link, you're going to be able to put that GrooveSell checkout onto one of your pages. They've got really fantastic features like upsells, order bumps, downsells, all of that kind of stuff. So you can set all of that up as you create product funnels in GrooveSell. GrooveMail is obviously your email marketing. So whether you want to do broadcasts, automations, follow-up sequences, campaigns, all of this kind of stuff would be managed under GrooveMail. At the filming of this video, GrooveMail is still under its original, let's call it GrooveMail 1.0, where GrooveMail 2.0 is coming really soon. So I'm excited for that development because there are many features in GrooveMail that don't work very well. But that's GrooveMail. That's going to be all your email marketing, all your email stuff. Groove Member is where you're going to be able to sell courses or memberships. So Groove looks at things as a membership. Within the membership, you can have multiple courses, and Groove sells access levels. So if you think of it as selling access levels, you're giving access to certain products, certain levels of access within your membership. So you can sell, for example, one course, or you could sell all your courses at once, or you could sell part of one course and part of another course. That's all done within Groove Member. And what you would do is in Groove Sell, you would be fulfilling the product. If you're selling a course or a membership, the fulfillment in the Groove Sell wizard would be by adding them to a Groove Member access level. So they've got nice templates for creating courses, progress levels where you can put videos and text, course modules and lessons and things like that. So that's Groove Member. Groove Video is where you're going to host videos. So if you're doing any kind of marketing with videos, they've got a ton of different options that you can overlay on those videos and sort of promote things. Or you could just host your videos in Groove Video to be able to put into your membership or courses. So that's Groove Video. Groove Blog is self-explanatory. That is a blog. You're going to be able to create a blog, an SEO-friendly blog, link it to your website, things like that. Groove Cart is where you're going to be able to do e-commerce, sell products, and things like that. So that is Groove Cart. And then finally, Groove Webinar is where you're going to be able to have automated evergreen webinars. They don't have, at this point, Groove Webinar Live. It's just Groove Webinar Automated. So I can just quickly show you that one because I do have 2 evergreen webinars running at the moment. So you can set up webinars here. And all of the back end of it is done through the setup wizard here when you click edit, where you're going to basically be able to have all your reminder emails, all your follow-up emails, everything to do with running an automated webinar would be under there. Okay, so now let's talk about some other things that you're going to find here in your dashboard. So let me just move myself over here. So over here, if you click on these 3 dots, this is where you're going to be able to give feedback. Let's just click on this and see where it takes us. So when we click on roadmap and feedback, it's going to take us over to into feature requests, updates, bug reporting, etc. So if you've got feature requests, you can submit them here. This is where Groove puts updates of bugs that they're fixing and things like that. If you want to report a bug, you can go right here and report the bug. So that's pretty handy. And then they've got some articles here as well. So that's under roadmap and feedback. Help desk, this is obviously support. Same thing as if you click this little up here. All right. And then we've got some other things, groove.cm app. There is a mobile app that you can download. API if you need API, events and workshops, our services, and the marketplace. So if you want to list your products in the affiliate marketplace, you can also do that, and other Groovesters can sell and promote your products. So I've never used this feature, but you can see that there's lots of products in here with affiliate information, and all that kind of stuff. Okay, so that is sort of an overview of the Groove dashboard. I want to just point you to some other helpful places as well. So the groove.cm hub. So if you go to groove.cm/hub, this has been created recently to kind of show really everything that's sort of going on in the Groove community. I won't go into GroovePlus here, but that's going to be sort of a membership type thing where you'll have access to lots of great trainings and things like that. And you can see the upcoming trainings that are coming up and training replays as well. This is all going to be hosted in Groove training videos, and I'll show you those in a second as well. So that's groove.cm/hub. There's also some quick links over here if you want to join the affiliate program, the Facebook group. If you go to the groove.cm official page, it's groups, Groove Digital Official. That's a very helpful group to be a part of as well. Okay, and then finally, Groove Digital Academy down at the bottom left here. If you click on this and you go to Groove Digital Academy, this is available for paid members. You're going to be taken to the membership. And this is where you're going to be able to log in the top right here. This is hosted under Groove Member, so you get an idea of what Groove Member looks like. And you're going to be able to access these courses. So if you want to, jump into some training by Kevin Stride on GroovePages, GrooveMail, GrooveSell, all the different apps, you'll be able to access that as a paid member, a lifetime member of Groove. And lots of great training there if you need just some quick answers to how to do things, how to set up a landing page, how to set up a product funnel, those kinds of things. That will be in here as well. That is it for the overview of your groove.cm dashboard and where to find different things. Hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like the video, ask me any questions below. Don't forget to subscribe, really helps my little channel, and I'll see you in the next one.